Hi friends, welcome to Abipravi and let us continue with the Python series. Today we are going to see about the while loop. While loop, sorry, while loop. So what is a while loop? I already told that there are two types of loop. One is for loop and another one is a while loop. By using the for loop, we can able to do the print a lot of functions with just a single line of code. And in the for loop, we use a main function. We there is a one important function we need to use which is called as the range. And in the range we just have the start value and the end value, and the end value will declare from the n minus 1, and there is also having a steps, and we can also give the for loop with only the end value. Now let's continue with the while loop. In while loop we need to declare one variable, so until the condition becomes false the loop will execute. For example, I have a variable called a which is equal to 10, and after that while a less than 10 print a and a plus is equal to 1. So in the first fifth line, okay, you can able to see that the a plus which is equal to 1. So this file, the same line, we can able to return as uh, a is equal to a plus 1. Okay. We can either write this line like this or like this. Okay, so I prefer the short line, so I using this. Okay, so this line indicates that the loop will execute until the a value becomes 9, because we just putting a less than. If we put less than or equal to, the loop will execute until 10, a value becomes 10. After that, if we print the value of a, so okay, after that we will increment one value. So I'm just going to run the code. Okay, after I click on run, we're able to see that is printing 10. There is some error, so wait a second. I'm just going to make it as soon as possible. And okay, what we are going to do is we need to assume a is equal to 10. Okay, sorry, so we need to assume a is 1, right? So then only we can able to do. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can able to print that is. And after that, you can able to see that in the fifth line of the code, we have a is equal to a plus 1. It will increment the a of value. The first iteration, a of value will be 2. Second iteration, 2 becomes to 3, and a value becomes 3, and this decimal 3 2 at the same process it will be done for 10 times. Okay, so this is the example for a for loop. And